Starting out with a live cam, looking across St. Andrews Bay here. 79 degrees at the airport. Rain cooled down to the dew point at 78. That puts our relative humidity at 97%. And this is the number you feel when you step outside. Everyone always refers to humidity, but that is your relative humidity. That's just telling you the percentage of the column of air that is saturated. This is telling you how humid it is, because that is the temperature at which the air reaches saturation. So that's the number you actually feel when you step outside, and anything above 75 is just ridiculously humid. That's a lot of water hanging out in that column of air. On the Perry and Young Tower cam, we still have some stratiform rain falling. You can see off to the south here just some cirrocumulus clouds, but over the top of us we've got some cirrostratus clouds, and that's still holding just enough moisture for it to precipitate, especially as the sea breeze is trying to kick back as we have those dying outflow boundaries across the area. Falling back down to about 80 degrees tonight. It's going to be warm and humid. We'll see those temperatures quickly rising back into the low 90s again for the day tomorrow, but the wind will return back out of the south and west. So as our temperatures won't be as hot as they have been over the last couple of days, that southwest wind is going to be pulling the air off of the Gulf, and with that, our dew points will be in the 80s through much of the day tomorrow. That's going to allow the heat index to be up to 112. So the entirety of the area under a heat advisory. Once again, if you're in the orange there, you have a heat advisory. It might have you going to the coast. We had a yellow flag flying today, and Gulf looking more like a lake at the moment. Nice and flat surf. 93 to 92 the next couple of days. Just an isolated chance at a shower or a thunderstorm. Less of a chance of rain than what we had today, because the wind will be out of the south and west. So that's going to be protecting the coastline with that sea breeze, and we've had plenty of shower and thunderstorm activity out there today. Started along the sea breeze, pressed off to the south with the overall flow out of the north and east. That pushed everything to the south and west. That's with high pressure in the mid-levels in control, but that is sliding to the west. The shower and thunderstorm activity should fade over the next hour or so, and as we go through the day tomorrow, we will see the activity pop up once again. I know, again, southerly flow with that pop-up activity with the heating of the day. Probably less coverage than what we had today, which is why you only have about a 30 to 40% chance of rain. Same thing on Thursday, hot and humid, and just about a 30 to 40% chance of rain. Temperatures climbing into the low 90s. Wouldn't be surprised by heat advisories again for your Thursday, just thanks to those high dew points. Air quality on the good side, pollen count in the moderate category, and our UV index back up into the extreme category tomorrow. So pack the sunscreen if you're going to be in the sun. Eastern and Central Pacific, well, it's a rager out there. You got 2 storms and likely 3 more on the way. The Atlantic is nice and calm, but note the 2 areas circled in the yellow there, that's areas we are watching as we go forward. So sometime after the 4th, we'll be keeping an eye on the subtropical region in the Atlantic for those lingering fronts to help some kind of development there. And then eventually, as we get to the middle of the month, we'll be back to the attention area that is usually there, which is the main development region of the Atlantic. We'll likely see that come back to life as we get toward the end of August. And that is typical. We usually see 90% of tropical activity from the 20th of August to the 20th of October. So we're heading toward peak season.
We're heading there. All right. Thanks, Ross.